And welcome back. This is Sunita Rawat, and I welcome you all again to another day in my village. So, if you don't know me, I'm Sunita Rawat, and I share bits and pieces of my village life, village vibes, and I post conversational videos as well on my channel with co learners and some expert tutors as well. So, if you're someone who is thinking of leveling up your English, then this channel is just one stop solution for you. So don't forget to subscribe and be the part of this journey. Look at my beautiful village. So we're going to take a shortcut to the place where we are going, but the path is miserable here. The shortcut way is just in a miserable condition, and we are definitely not enjoying. I have put on white dress today and it's all muddy here. Look how beautiful my village is. Actually, it rained the whole night. That is why the condition is like this. But it is not usually this way. So this is an old hostel here of degree college here, and it has now become a haunted house, I guess. My feet is all drenched in dirty water. My God, what a nice day. So why are we out on this amazing roads today? As I have already mentioned in my last vlog that we are going out for an election campaign. So here we are, just walking up and down on these amazing ways. Totally enjoying the day, totally enjoying the weather. Although the weather is just amazing today, but down here it's really pathetic. But let's just go. We have no other option. We are going to do an election campaign for my husband because, as I told you, he is standing for the post of Block Development Council representative. So we are on the way for that, to villages to meet people. And we are halfway here waiting for one more person to join us. There is a lot of papers inside this, like the printouts and the pamphlets and the posters. We were supposed to cut that with a scale into pieces, but we were falling short of time, so that is why that was not the right time. So now I have carried a scale with me, and we're going to cut all these papers on the spot wherever we would be handing these. And look at the view. There are two beautiful ladies. She's my mother-in-law. She's so young. And that is my sister-in-law. She is also young, right? So we haven't even reached a single home yet. We are already drained out. हमारा नेता कैसा हो?
हमारा नेता कैसा हो?
विवेक रावत जैसा हो?
जैसा हो? हमारा यहाँ का रास्ता कैसा हो?
सुंदर सुंदर हो भैया. ए बाबा. So here is our late comer Dolly. Hello Dolly, finally you have reached. Are you all set?
Hello, Didi.
Hello G. Are you all set for the campaign?
Yes, all set.
How's the Josh?
Yes, juice.
Very high?
Hi, juice. Hi.
Very high. It has already started drizzling and I'm not carrying my umbrella, but these folks are. So we're going to share one.
Yes.
जीना यहाँ,
ये जीना मरना साथ साथ.
मरना यहाँ.
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, प्रचार करेंगे हम.
कहाँ
हाँ वही प्रचार करेंगे हम कहाँ. चलो, कुछ कैंडिडेट तो हमारे यही मिल चुके हैं, हमारी चाची जी लोग.
So here we have started the campaign right away, and you can see they are distributing toffees to the people of our village. One toffee for our Devta ji, Mehmet Devta ji. Because without blessings we are nothing, and we can't even think of winning this game. Jai Mehmet Devta ki.
और एक चाचा नमस्ते पछड़िया तुम गिलास में लगा दे
गिलास
गिलास में लगा जा तुम गाली तुम ही वासी पता जब बतने चला जाना कुछ सुई रहनी ना जितना बेलती चलो वैसे तो क्या तो आईटी इंजीनियर आराम से अब नौकरी बैठ के नौकरी कौन
दीदी थोड़ा मटक के आओ।
इसलिए तुम किसी मत आना
बच्चों के साथ लड़ाई हो गया उधर
से मेरे जेठ जी को
Baba. Here is our most energetic member of the team. She is just perfect. She is outspoken, furious, and she is going to gain a lot of votes for us. Hi तो बोल दो यार। आपकी तारीफ कर दी। Thank you. She's not leaving any stones unturned, and she's still there. And they have reached over there, heading towards to the next home.
ये बोलो कि तुम विश्वास समझ के अब वो वोट उबेवे करें है ना बाकी लो तो बुन छे जो अब वो भी रहने देखो या मु देखो ने के जो विकास करो जो माने
We are moving Gadera to Gadera, asking for votes. These are very dangerous paths actually. You have to be very careful walking on these paths.
ये दीदी मेरा खुर ला रहे हैं चुकी जा ये मां
निकाल तो उसको निकाल। इसको भी निकालना पहले।
जंगली एरिया से
तो कहाँ घुस रही है? झाड़ी झाड़ी बूझे बूझे।
दीदी फटाफट आओ नहीं तो जॉन से पक जाएंगे
नहीं बाबा।
आईडी बोला तो तुम मेरा नौकरी लौटा दे हम भी
सुन पचन छे
अरे उचे में पचन वटी देखी ता ना जीवे चाची
चिपका रखा ना। हाँ हाँ चप्पल भी टूट गया. So I've been using this sandals for the last 4 to 5 years because I loved it and I was somehow managing to walk in these sandals, but not anymore because a strap has broken walking in these paths. It has become hot now. We started with a sweater, but now everybody has taken off their sweater because the weather has become warm and humid. फिर से विवेक रावत जैसा हो, विवेक रावत जैसा हो. यहाँ गदेरों में ज़्यादा हल्ला नहीं करते. Vlogging in full swing and we are going on a field to the people there because she's not at her home but on the field. So we're going to ask for vote there itself. हेलो नमस्ते. वोट मांगने आए हैं आज आपके दर पे. नमस्ते. देखो छोटे छोटे बच्चे वहाँ पे.
आंगनवाड़ी स्कूल से कर
है ना.
हम भी दीदी बोले
कोई बेचारा नहीं 50 रुपए खा दूंगा कराले
ओ भी छे सही बात ओ भी छे
बोलो हमारा नेता कैसा हो?
विवेक भाई जैसा हो, कांच का गिलास अब की बार।
यस, वेरी गुड, धड़ल्ले से। और आपको हमारे यहाँ पूजा करने आनी है 20 तारीख को। एक हाथ लो, दूसरे हाथ दो। है ना? I was feeling so fatigued some moments earlier, but now I have a different level of energy looking at people supporting us. So it feels so great that so many people are in support and they are saying it upfront that yes, they support us. I have never experienced this before and discovering the untouched beauty and totally enjoying it, living it. Not kidding. Aya. ए बाबा
श्रीमती जी फोटो से तो माता जी फोटो खिले से पिताजी कांच का गिलास क्षेत्र पंचायत सदस्य विवेक रावत 6 नंबर पे हो तुम्हारे ढाबा खींच के तो रोड में लीगल करना है दिन बोर्ड मांगे हम
डॉली कह रही है कि वो बहुत टैलेंटेड है दिमाग से।
वे तुम्हारा खा बात अपू गरा चुनानी लागनी सब
नहीं चाहिए वो तो छे
तो वे ये मतलब वे दिमाग में विचार
तुम बैठा ही और मेरा
ना
अबे
I'm so amazed. It is slightly drizzling for an hour or two and it has not started pouring yet. The weather has been favorable to us. That's amazing. We're really enjoying the ways, meeting people, villages to villages, going fields to fields. Yes, it's totally a different kind of experience I have never witnessed before. But yes, somehow struggling. It's a mini adventure in hills actually for me. I hope you all are enjoying with me this vlog. I hope you're not getting bored. The weather is so stunning today. The whole atmosphere is covered with a blanket of fog and it feels amazing to be here. I was always confined to the four walls of my room and taking up conversations, taking up meetings, but this day is truly adventurous, a whole different kind of experience for me. I'm feeling so free, I must say. We should go on these kind of adventures sometimes actually. Come on, Sangeeta. यहाँ पे संगीता आड़ू चोरी कर रही है भैया।
दीदी तो आज फुल ब्लॉगिंग में है अचार कौन है ब्लॉग में
वाह इतना डबल डबल
ये दीदी पकड़ो
Oh my god, what just happened to me? My goodness. See, my sandal has completely broken now. Oh, what will I do?
यहाँ पे दीदी का सैंडल भी टूट चुका है देखो तो कैसा लग रहा है दीदी आपको गांव में घूम के पहली बार आप ऐसा भ्रमण कर रहे हो
ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे भगवान मेरी परीक्षा ले रहा है।
ऐसा क्यों
पहले तो इतने जोक चुपके
हाँ
अयो फिर सैंडल भी टूटी
हाँ
फिर कनाली भी लगी
हाँ
फिर गर्मी तो अलग लगी हुई है
हाँ
तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई परीक्षा हो रही है। बट अगर
तो दीदी गांव की समस्या का निवारण कैसे होगा आप एक दिन घूम के आपको इतनी समस्या आ गई।
जब तक हम नंगे पाँव चलेंगे नहीं तब तक हमें समस्या का पता कैसे चलेगा।
सही बात है, इसीलिए
चलेगा लोगों को क्या
इस-
दुख दर्द है।
सही बात, इसलिए सैंडल भी टूट गई।
इसीलिए वही जताने के लिए सैंडल टूट गई है। ताऊ जी हैज गिवन मी अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल chappals, flip floppers, I guess they call it flip floppers, and I'll show you Tauji. I'm so grateful to him. Here is our Tauji. Tauji, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
कल गया तो था मैं तुम्हारे यहाँ।
क्या था वो नारा? मैं नारा ही भूल गई। क्या था वो नारा? So we have reached at a place where we can see our chhappar here. There are a lot of trees. Those are mine, not mine, but because I've got married to another family, so these are my parents' family's property, you can say. All these trees that you can see here, and beside that there is a lot of property out there.
ये और दादी यहाँ पे देखो,
हुक्का बार
मेरी दादी भी ऐसी पीती थी।
बाद में पिया फिल्टर के
ले हो यार चिलगम जुन में थी रुक जा।
Where Katinant,
यो नॉन
you can a hack,
एक लड़की
your name, चलो ठीक है। और तेरा कितना है यहाँ पर? दो है।
यहाँ पे जनगणना हो रही है।
और तेरा कितना है? मेरा भी दो है। और तेरा
मेरे भी दो हैं।
उसका भी दो है। और तेरा क्या क्या लंबा है यहाँ? मेरा लंबा कांच का गिलास।
कांच का गिलास बस।
ये तो वो कांच का लेके आने तुम सौंपे हुए हैं।
सब उसी की तरफ है सब।
ये तो तुम गांव में दिखे रही
बोल दिए।
हमको पता है तुम कहाँ अंदर डाला हुआ मीटिंग में भी नहीं दिए मैं कभी।
ये देखो प्रधान जी पधार चुके हैं।
मुझे भी देना।
जिला पंचायत से दिल्ली क्षेत्र आप देखो ना इस नई प्रधान
तुम चाचा बोलते हो, वो भी चाचा बोला।
I was stung by a nettle plant a way back, but I can still feel the tingling sensation on my finger. It's called Kanali in Gadwali. Have you seen that plant ever? Look, monkey and its baby. So we have covered all the houses in Hartoli village, and now we are going to go to the market and have some refreshments because we are so fatigued and we don't have any more energy left. I have never eaten this spicy chow mein, but right now I have no other option but to eat these. So, what to do? We have no other option.
Chow mein is very spicy.
Chow mein is very spicy. So we are going to eat ice cream after this to balance it. Got an ice cream, so we have turned lucky today, and I'm feeling so relieved right now after having spicy chow mein. So this was it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and keep your blessings with Vivek Rawat, and hope he wins. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Keep watching till then, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the like button and hit the bell icon as well, or whatever you can do from your end. Okay, then we'll see you. Bye.
Nice.